Today we're talking about something absolutely crucial for maintaining your independence and quality of life as you age: protecting your vision. Vision changes aren't just about needing stronger glasses. They often signal how well the delicate structures in your eyes are aging, and the good news is that specific nutrients can make a real difference in supporting your eye health. Before we dive into these powerful foods, I want to tell you about our private senior health community, where health-conscious seniors connect, share experiences, and get expert guidance on maintaining their vision and overall health. We offer weekly group calls and monthly sessions with eye health specialists. Check the link in the description. I've also created a free PDF guide called Senior Vision Health Essentials that includes everything we'll cover today, plus recipes and practical tips. You'll find the download link below. Scientific research has revealed that certain nutrients can support eye health by reducing inflammation, fighting oxidative damage, and improving blood flow to the retina and optic nerve. These nutrients help protect against common age-related eye problems like macular degeneration, cataracts, and dry eyes. The encouraging part is that many of these powerful compounds come from everyday foods that seniors can easily incorporate into their diets. Today, I'm sharing 7 scientifically backed superfoods that have been proven to boost senior vision health. From antioxidant-rich berries to mineral-packed shellfish, these foods contain unique compounds that protect your eyes from age-related damage. I'll also share inspiring stories of seniors who made simple dietary changes and saw real improvements in their vision and eye comfort, plus give you practical ways to add these foods to your meals without overhauling your entire diet. Let's get started. Goji berries have been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine for eye health, and modern science validates many of these claims. These small, vibrant red berries are loaded with zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that accumulates directly in the retina, especially in the macula, the part responsible for sharp central vision. Zeaxanthin acts like natural sunscreen, filtering harmful blue light and protecting eye cells from oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to age-related macular degeneration. Beyond zeaxanthin, goji berries contain high levels of vitamin C and other antioxidants that support overall eye tissue health and help maintain the structural integrity of blood vessels in the eyes. Research shows that regular consumption of foods high in zeaxanthin can significantly slow the progression of macular degeneration and improve visual acuity in seniors. Doris, a 76-year-old retired teacher, struggled with early signs of age-related macular degeneration and persistent dry eyes. After incorporating goji berries into her morning oatmeal and afternoon teas for several months, she experienced noticeably less eye dryness and improved clarity when reading small print. She credits this simple dietary addition with reducing her eye fatigue and allowing her to enjoy hobbies like knitting for longer periods without discomfort. Adding goji berries to your diet is surprisingly easy and delicious. Try sprinkling dried berries over yogurt or cereals, blending them into smoothies for a nutrient boost, or steeping them as a mildly sweet tea. Their pleasant flavor makes them feel like a treat rather than medicine, which helps with consistency. Oysters might not be the first food that comes to mind for eye health, but these nutrient-dense shellfish are one of the richest sources of zinc available, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision. Zinc is highly concentrated in the retina and helps vitamin A create melanin, a protective pigment in the eyes that shields against light damage. Zinc deficiencies have been directly linked to impaired vision, increased risk of age-related macular degeneration, and night blindness. Beyond zinc, oysters provide omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin B12, which support nerve function and help repair eye cells damaged by aging and environmental stressors. Harold, a 72-year-old retired engineer, noticed his night vision deteriorating significantly and experienced frequent eye strain during evening activities. After including oysters in his diet once weekly, sometimes raw, sometimes grilled, or in seafood stews, he experienced a notable improvement in his ability to see in low-light conditions and reported much less eye discomfort during his evening reading sessions. If oysters aren't appealing to you, zinc can also be found in pumpkin seeds and fortified cereals, though in lower concentrations. For those willing to try oysters, consider them grilled with herbs, in seafood stews, or fresh with lemon juice. Even small amounts can provide significant zinc benefits for your vision. Red bell peppers are exceptional sources of vitamin C, containing more of this powerful antioxidant per serving than citrus fruits. Vitamin C is crucial for eye health because it supports the integrity of blood vessels in the eyes and helps reduce the risk of cataracts by preventing protein clumping in the lens. Research demonstrates that vitamin C works synergistically with other antioxidants to slow the progression of macular degeneration and maintain overall eye health. Red bell peppers also provide beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, creating a comprehensive array of eye-protecting nutrients in one colorful vegetable. These compounds work together to filter harmful light wavelengths and protect retinal cells from oxidative damage that accumulates with age. Barbara, a 69-year-old avid gardener, experienced chronic eye redness and irritation that interfered with her outdoor activities. After regularly including both roasted and raw red bell peppers in her salads and snacks, she noticed significantly less eye irritation and improved night vision that allowed her to better appreciate the colors in her vibrant flower beds during evening garden walks. Red bell peppers are incredibly versatile and naturally sweet, making them easy to incorporate into meals. Try roasting pepper slices for sandwiches, chopping them raw into salads for crunch, or blending them into soups and sauces. Their mild flavor appeals to most people and adds both nutrition and color to meals. Black currants may be less familiar than other berries, but they're exceptionally rich in anthocyanins, plant compounds known for their potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Anthocyanins help improve blood flow to the retina and protect delicate eye tissues from oxidative damage that can lead to vision loss with age. Studies suggest that regular consumption of black currants supports visual acuity and significantly reduces eye fatigue, especially beneficial for those who spend time looking at digital screens. These powerful compounds also help strengthen the capillaries that supply nutrients to eye tissues, ensuring optimal function of the retina and supporting overall eye health as we age. Research indicates that anthocyanins can improve night vision and help eyes adapt more quickly to changes in lighting conditions. Edith, a 74-year-old retired librarian, incorporated black currant juice into her daily routine and noticed her eyes felt much less strained during long reading sessions and computer use. This simple dietary change helped her maintain her passion for books and research without the eye fatigue that had been limiting her activities. You can find black currants fresh when in season, dried year-round, or as juice in health food stores. Black currant juice pairs well with water or herbal teas for a refreshing drink. Try mixing black currant jam into yogurt or spreading it on toast for a delicious, vision-supporting treat that feels indulgent. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is renowned for powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that benefit the entire body, including the eyes. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of many age-related eye diseases, including macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. Curcumin can cross the blood-retina barrier, directly reducing inflammation and oxidative damage in eye tissues while supporting overall immune health. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin help protect the delicate structures within the eye and may slow the progression of age-related eye diseases. Additionally, turmeric supports healthy circulation, which ensures adequate nutrient delivery to eye tissues and efficient removal of waste products that could contribute to eye problems. Margaret, a 77-year-old who struggled with persistent dry eyes and mild glaucoma, began adding turmeric to her daily diet through soups, marinades, and golden milk preparations. After several months, her eye discomfort lessened significantly, and her intraocular pressure measurements became more stable under her doctor's care, suggesting improved overall eye health. Incorporate turmeric by mixing it into rice dishes, roasting vegetables with turmeric and black pepper, which enhances curcumin absorption, or stirring it into warm milk with honey as a soothing evening drink. The key is consistent daily use rather than large occasional amounts. Pistachios provide a unique combination of vitamin E, lutein, and zeaxanthin, 3 nutrients that work synergistically to protect eyes from oxidative stress and light damage. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects cell membranes in the retina from free radical damage, while lutein and zeaxanthin filter damaging blue light wavelengths before they can reach sensitive retinal tissues. Research indicates that diets rich in nuts like pistachios can lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration and improve overall visual performance. The healthy fats in pistachios also help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins and carotenoids from other foods, maximizing the benefits of your entire diet for eye health. George, an 80-year-old retired chef who maintains an active painting hobby, credits his regular pistachio snacking with helping reduce dry eye symptoms and enhancing his color perception, Bayes Rao crucial abilities for his artistic pursuits. He noticed that his eyes felt more comfortable during long painting sessions, and his ability to distinguish subtle color variations improved. Enjoy pistachios as a healthy snack, either raw or lightly roasted. Sprinkle shelled pistachios over salads for added crunch and nutrition, or incorporate them into baked goods and granola. They're convenient, portable, and provide sustained energy along with eye-protecting nutrients. Dark chocolate, especially varieties containing 70% cocoa or higher, contains flavonoids, plant compounds that improve blood flow and reduce inflammation in the retina and throughout the cardiovascular system. Better retinal blood flow supports healthier vision and can improve contrast sensitivity, visual acuity, and focus. Dark chocolate also provides mood-boosting effects, which can encourage adherence to other healthy lifestyle habits. The flavonoids in dark chocolate help protect blood vessels in the eyes from damage and support the delivery of nutrients to retinal tissues. Studies show that consuming high-quality dark chocolate can improve visual performance, particularly in situations requiring good contrast detection and visual processing speed. Nancy, a 73-year-old who enjoys both gardening and reading, found that a small daily serving of high-quality dark chocolate helped reduce her eye strain during afternoon activities while providing a pleasant mental boost that enhanced her overall well-being. She noticed less fatigue during detailed tasks and improved comfort during extended reading sessions. To incorporate dark chocolate healthily, choose varieties with 70% or higher cocoa content in small portions. Pair it with nuts for additional nutrients, or melt it into warm drinks for a comforting treat. Avoid chocolates with high sugar content to maximize the health benefits while minimizing potential negative effects. Remember that these foods work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes regular eye exams, UV protection when outdoors, adequate sleep, and staying hydrated. It's never too late to make positive changes that can have lasting effects on your vision and overall eye health. Consider keeping a simple journal of which foods you're including and any changes you notice in your vision or eye comfort. This can help you identify which additions are most beneficial for your specific situation and keep you motivated to maintain these healthy habits. Your challenge for this week: choose 2 of these 7 foods and find ways to include them in your meals over the next 7 days. Notice how your eyes feel, whether you experience less strain or dryness, and pay attention to any improvements in visual clarity or comfort. Don't forget to download your free PDF guide, Senior Vision Health Essentials. It includes detailed information about these foods, simple recipes, meal planning tips, and additional strategies for maintaining healthy vision as you age. You'll find the download link in the description below. If you want ongoing support and community focused on healthy aging, join our private senior health community. We offer weekly group calls where you can share your experiences and ask questions, plus monthly expert sessions with specialists to provide guidance. It's a supportive environment specifically designed for seniors committed to protecting their vision and overall health. For those interested in high-quality versions of these superfoods or helpful kitchen tools for preparation, I've included links to products I personally recommend. You can also find more detailed information about eye health and nutrition on our blog. Remember, small changes today can preserve your vision for tomorrow. Here's to keeping your eyes sharp and your life full of clarity and color.